In this video on my YouTube channel, Tech Solutions, I'll guide you through the simple steps to install the latest Google Chrome Internet browser on Fedora 42 Workstation. We'll begin by enabling the Google Chrome third-party repository, which is an essential step before installation. As shown on your screen, navigate to the software settings and enable the Google Chrome repository. Please make sure to follow this step carefully as it lays the groundwork for the installation. Once the repository has been enabled successfully, you can close the software settings and open the terminal application. The next step is to update the system repositories to reflect the recent changes you made. This ensures Fedora recognizes the newly added Chrome source. Run the update command displayed on screen and wait for the process to complete. It usually takes just a few moments. With the repository now active and updated, you're ready to install Google Chrome. Simply run the installation command as shown and let Fedora handle the rest. The installation is quick and smooth, requiring only a few minutes on a decent internet connection. After the installation is complete, you can close the terminal and launch Google Chrome from your Applications menu. You're now ready to enjoy a fast, secure, and user-friendly browsing experience on Fedora 42. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to subscribe to Tech Solutions for more easy-to-follow guides like this one. Thanks for watching, and happy browsing!